This is a review of the Baby Einstein Curiosity Clutch Fidget Sensory Toy and Puppet Rattle BPA-free infant teether, designed for infants aged 3 months and up. Now this one here is one of my daughter's favourite toys. We've had it for 7 months now and she still reaches for it in her toy box. I've also found that the older children enjoy playing with it as well, and they love the fact that there are so many different types of fidget parts. It's great for sensory play. I do like to keep this in my baby bag and take it out and about with me, and especially for a car toy. It's really helpful. And she also likes playing with it during playtime at home. Some of the features that stand out to me are the various textures. I do like how the different noises, and it's got a little squeaker there. It's got the face. My daughter loves the little balls in there. She's always twisting that one. And I love that there's so many different shapes. Triangle, the octagon, the square, the circle. It stimulates the baby's senses and keeps the little ones interested. The Puppet Rattle features adds a fun and auditory element, while the different colours and patterns provide the visual stimulation. I particularly appreciate that it's BPA free, ensuring it's safe for my baby to chew on, and the toy is very lightweight and easy for little hands to grasp, promoting fine motor skills and development. I really like that it's sturdy as well and small, so we can fit that in the bag, and it's easy for little hands to play and learn with. It's also easy to clean, and it's held up well to my baby's constant chewing and handling. The combination of the sensory elements keep my baby entertained for long periods of time, which is a big win as a parent. I really do recommend the Baby Einstein Curiosity Clutch Fidget Sensory Toy and Puppet Rattle for any parent looking for a safe, engaging and versatile toy for their infant. It's a great investment in your baby's sensory and motor skills development and provides a lot of fun. So we've got the rattle one, we've got the little teething part here. It's made like silicone, BPA friendly silicone. We've got the little person in there. This one here is the red one, is a squeaker. Got a squeaker noise in there. And we've got the pink triangle and the little cat there, or tiger cat, and the little puppet.